last video we saw how to get a string output. Okay, in here we gonna check how to go to the next line and how to overwrite a string. So I am gonna use our second string part as second is second text and dollar sign. So in last video you saw what will happen if we don't use dollar sign, and I explained what happens and why is that. So for the go to next line, we're gonna use ASCII value 10. So this part is the same, right? For printing the string it's the same. So I'm gonna copy it simply and use change the variable value, then run it. So yeah, for the run it we have to compile and link the objective file, then so no errors, t link y test1 dot objective file of gj, and we're gonna run the execute file. Then here we get the second text in our second line, right? Second text. So for go to the next line, another method is we can use the data large register. So move dl comma 10. 10 is our register like before we use. So we're gonna print h comma 0 to h. So 0 to h we use for the printing the integer values in 21 bit. So this also gonna do the same thing. So compiling, sorry, there's an error, illegal register in line 15. Sorry, in move it's move, right? Yeah. So asm link in the objective file and execute the, so we get the same output. So another thing we can do is we can overwrite our first message, right? So for that we use the ASCII value 30 comma 30 between two arrows. So it's what it's gonna do is string is a like a character array, right? So when here h is our 0th index, so when we use 13 it's gonna move back to 0th index and overwrite our second string to our first string. Then we gonna have the output. So let's see what the output will be. So here compiling and link in objective, sorry, yeah, what happened is here we end reading the string with dollar sign, right? We have to remove it. So then let's see, compile link output second word that you see. So it's gonna override this hello with our second because the number character numbers are the same, equals, right? So thank you. We will see how to get the integer output in next video.